Hello everybody, my name is Kobe and this is Kitech Digital. Now in this video we're going to talk about 5 best free WordPress themes for any website. So you have a project or you want to design your own website, but you don't know the theme to use to start designing your website. So in this video, that is all what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about 5 best free themes for any website, WordPress themes for any website. So if you are a WordPress designer, or you start designing website and other stuff using WordPress, you need themes to be able to help you achieve what you want to achieve. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the best free themes that you can use, and then you'll be able to get the kind of design that you want. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Okay, so now before we start talking about the themes and other stuff, the themes that you want to use and other stuff, so we want to talk about what are WordPress themes. So a lot of you know what themes are. A lot of you also don't really know what are themes. Okay, so what are WordPress themes? Now WordPress themes are a collection of different files that work together to create what you see, as well as how your site behaves. So what you see on the front end, what users see on the front end, okay, they are files and collection of files, different files come together to create a beautiful layout that you see, and that is what the theme is all about. Okay, so a WordPress theme changes the design of your website. So it's just the layout, so including the layout, so it changes the design, your layout and other stuff. So if you want to create let's say the header, you need a theme that is compatible for you to be able to create your own header. Okay, if you want to create, let's say a sidebar, you need themes that is able to help you create your own sidebars. Okay, so changing your themes changes how your site looks on the front end. So that is what the visitors see when they browse to your website. So if you create a new website with, let's say, the 2022 theme, and then later on you change it to a different theme, let's say the 2021 theme, okay, your website will change, the look and feel will also change. Okay, so you need to come back again and adjust it using the 2021 theme to make sure that your website looks professional as what you want. Okay, so that is what the theme really does. So whenever you change your theme, the look and feel of your website will also change. Okay, because you are using a different theme altogether again, and that is it. Now let's talk about some of the best 5 themes, or free 5 themes that I want to introduce to you. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is what we call the Astra theme. Okay, so this is by far one of the most popular themes in the WordPress directory, themes directory. Okay, a lot of people use this theme because it is flexible, and then it is easy to use. Okay, it also you can use Elementor to build, use it to build any kind of page that you want. So the theme is very flexible to use. You can build your header, your footer, all the other things that you want. Okay, so the Astra theme is one of the best themes, and it is also free. It is free to download and use it. So let's look at it. Let's go inside and look at how the Astra theme really looks like. So let me go over here and check the Astra theme. So this is the Astra, the WP Astra page. Okay, and this is their website. Okay, so we're going to talk about, this is how their website looks now. As you can see, they have more than 5-star rating. They have 5-star rating based on over 5,000 people reviews. Okay, so the Astra theme is a really good theme. Now pre-built website, they have pre-built website. You can just install the template and then use it to do whatever you want. you can customize without coding. Okay, so those of us who don't really want to use code in our website, you can use the Astra theme to build any kind of website. And then made for page builders. So Astra theme is really made for what page builders like Elementor and other stuff. Okay, so if you love Elementor, then I think Astra theme is what is the best for you. And then it is also what super fast performance. Okay, so it means that it performs what fast whenever you use it to build what any kind of what website. Now if you go down, you can see how the what the customization and other things of the theme, the functions of the themes. You can read more about it. It is full and seamless integration with your favorite tools, that is Elementor, Beaver Builder, WooCommerce, Lendash, a tool set, and then Yoast. All of them are compatible with the Astra theme. Okay, so a lot of things are said about Astra, and that is it. Now let's look at how we can search and find the Astra theme on and then install it on our website. So basically you can download it from here for free, or you can use the WordPress theme directory to install it on your website. So let's look at how we can use our WordPress directory to install it on our website. Okay, so to install the Astra theme, all what we need to do is to go to appearance over here. Now log on to your dashboard. Okay, so log on to your website dashboard. Okay, and then just like we install any other theme, you hover on appearance over here, and then you click on what themes. Okay, so just click on themes. Now as you can see, this website is running on the 2022 theme. Okay, so what we need to do is just click on add new over here. Just click on the add new, and then you can see a lot of themes over here. Okay, but what we need to search for is called the Astra. So just search over here Astra. Okay, Astra, and then you see it over here. Okay, so this is what we are going to install. So just click on install to install it, and then click on activate to activate the theme. Now very good, so our theme is installed and activated. We can go ahead and then look at how the website really looks like after installing the theme. Okay, so basically this is how the Astra theme comes with. Okay, so there is nothing really going on. You have to design the whole website itself, but like I said, the theme gives you the strata and the functionality to build on. Okay, so that is it. Now to check out most of the functions, you have to install the starter templates to be able to check out most of the functionality, to check out the the real, how the real website really looks like, because Astra theme comes with a lot of starter template. Okay, so now what we are going to do is just I'm not going to install the starter template now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the customization of the of the theme to show you some of the things that you can do with the Astra theme. Okay, so you can customize your own header, you can customize a lot of things on the website, the footer, customize it yourself, and then when you have Elementor page builder on it, you can also use it to do a whole lot of things with the Astra theme. So the Astra theme comes with a lot of functionalities for you to build on. So it have its own header builder, footer builder, that you can build it yourself. So as you can see, a lot of themes do not come free with all these things, but with the Astra free, you get a lot of free things with it. So you can, like I said, you have the global color over here, which talks about the typography, the colors, the container, the buttons, the blog editor. Okay, when you go back over here, you have the header builder. You can build your own header. You realize that at the moment you click over here, the header builder will come over here, so you can build your own kind of header that you want. Okay, you can have a transparent header. Okay, so that is it. And then when you go back over here, you can also have what, the breadcrumb, okay, of how you want your breadcrumb to what, the header position and other stuff to also what, behave. You can still have all those settings over here. And then there are a lot of things over here. We also have the sidebar, the blog, the footer builder, which is also very, very important in building your own kind of what, footer, okay. And then the performance is also what, if you want to load Google Fonts locally, you can use this one, okay, so that your website will either function fast or what, slow, depending on how you want it. So that is the performance. And then site identity, if you want to change your site identity, the website name, the website logo, and all the other things, you can do it over here. And then the menus, the widgets, home page settings, and then additional what, CSS that codes that you want to add to your website. So the Astra theme is also one of the best free themes. Now the themes that I'm talking about is of no particular order, okay, just 5 best themes that I feel that they are the 5 best themes, okay. That is it. So the next theme that I want to talk about is called the Oceanwp theme, okay. So the Oceanwp theme is also one of the best themes around the globe right now, one of the best WordPress themes around the world right now. Now Oceanwp, I've used Oceanwp for several projects and several websites, because Oceanwp makes your work so easy, and then it is compatible with a lot of things like Elementor, e-commerce. It also have a lot of starter templates that you can use. So let's take a look at their website and then what they also have for us, and then we move ahead to talk about it, to install it on our. So this is the Oceanwp website. You can go over there, oceanwp.org, and then you can check it out. So U plus Oceanwp equals to amazing website, and it's true. Oceanwp is one of the best free themes so far around the world, okay. Now Astra is best, Oceanwp, that is why I said these themes are of no particular order, okay. So as you can see, this is their website over here, and we give you more, okay. Now Ocean Starboard, Ocean Panel Makeover, check out the final details. So Ocean Breeze, special additions for business and agency bundles plan. You can go ahead and then get all these things with for your website, okay. So Oceanwp is one of the best free. Now let's look at some of the functions. Now enjoy the process. So it is beginner friendly, and yes, it is very, very beginner friendly, developer friendly, quick customization, fully responsive, fully customizable. It is also easily accessible. Accessibility is ready. Best SEO practices, complete and flexible, flexible RTL and translation ready. So those of you who write from right to left, you can use it. And then lightweight, and then fast, okay. So there are a lot of things that you can talk about using Oceanwp, but these are some of the things that I want to show to you. And let's go ahead. So as you can see, you can build with ease, full site demos, okay. So they have a lot of site demos. Some of them are pro, some of them are free, okay. Whether e-commerce or agency website or a business website, depending on what you really want, okay. And then it also works with all these plugins, okay. So the page builders, you have Elementor, Breezy, Gutenberg, and a lot of page builders, DV and stuff, okay. So you can use all these things. So let's check out how we can also install the Oceanwp on our website. So let's close this one and go to our themes, okay. So this is the theme that we really have, okay. So we're going to go to add new over here, and then what we are going to do is to search for Oceanwp. Now you see, if a theme is very popular, it comes at the front end of all the of the WordPress theme directory. So as you can see, we have the Astra over here, and then we have Oceanwp over here. Okay, so you can see Oceanwp, or you can search it over here, Oceanwp. Okay, Oceanwp theme, and that is it. Okay, just click on install, and then click on activate, to activate the theme. Okay, very good. So we have the Oceanwp activated. Now the moment you activate it, it will tell you to install and activate the Ocean Extra, because the Ocean Extra add more functionalities to your theme. Okay, so we click over here to install the Ocean Extra. And then I'm going to just click on skip, to skip this thing, and then we have it. There you have it. Okay, so now this is the Oceanwp panel. Okay, so you're brought to the panel, and then you have all your the settings over here. Okay, so you can decide to upgrade, but we are not talking about the upgrade. We're talking about we're talking about the free thing. Okay, so with the Oceanwp, you can have customizer, which you can be able to customize your the header, footer, all the other parts of the website. You can also install demos. You can Ocean images, integrations, a lot of integrations, useful plugins, changelog, free versus the pro. They talk about it all over here. So let's look at how the free version and the pro. So as you can see, these are the free features, these are the pro features. So forum and community support you get. We're talking about only the free things. Okay, so there are a lot of free things which I think they didn't state it over here, because if you look at what the Oceanwp can do, most other themes cannot even do it. Okay, but the pro also goes beyond the free. Okay, so you can also check it out. Now let's check out the customize. Okay, so let's go to appearance, and then go to customize, and then see how the Oceanwp really looks like. Now before we even go over there, let's refresh our website as we change the theme, and let's look at theme also. Our website also will change. So as you can see, the theme has changed, and our website has also changed, and that is it. So this is how the Oceanwp theme really looks like. Okay, it is very simple and easy to use. Okay, so now let's go to the customization of the theme itself. Okay guys, so this is the customization settings of the Oceanwp. Okay, so as you can see, it have a lot of customization settings similar to the Astra theme. Okay, so the site identity, the menus, the widgets, the homepage settings, the typography, the general options. Okay, if you go to general options, we have a lot of them. It have the general styling, the general settings, the page title, the scroll to top pagination, forms, that is the input text area, the themes, bar themes, a lot of customization options for you to be able to customize your website. We also have the header. You can also change your own the general header, build your own kind of header that you want. You can even get different kind of header styles. Okay, for instance, this is the minimal, this is transparent, this is top menu, full screen, center, medium, vertical, and then custom header. So if you want to build a full screen header, you can build it with Oceanwp. If you want to build a header which have a center, it means that the logo will come to the center, and then you have left and right different kind of menus. Okay, it is also there. If you want to build a transparent header, you can also build it. So a lot of customization options: the logo, the menu, the social menu, the mobile menu. Okay, so a lot of them. And then if you go to, you also can build your own top bar, header, footer widget, footer bottom, sidebar, and then custom. Now if you install different plugins, like let's say if you install WooCommerce plugin, it also brings you a lot of functionalities for you to customize your own WooCommerce with other settings of the WooCommerce. Okay, so that is it. So Oceanwp is what is also one of the best themes around the world. That is why I chose Oceanwp. Now the next one that I'm going to talk about is the Kadence theme. Okay, so the Kadence theme is also one of my favorites, because I've also used this theme to build a lot of websites. Even on this channel, I've used this theme to create a lot of websites. So the Kadence theme is also one of my favorite. And let's look at how the Kadence theme also really works. So with the Kadence theme, this is their website. Okay, so the Kadence website, you can check out some of the I have various themes and plugins over here, and you can check out some of them. The free is enough for anybody who is starting web design business or web design as an education thing or whatever it is. So the free is very enough for anybody. Even to build a whole complete website, the free is enough. But if you want to go further, the more you are building websites, the more advanced it is, some of your projects become. So you need some of the pro versions for it to work for you. But like I said, this is also one of the best free themes around the world. Now what makes it best is Kadence also have the Kadence blog. Okay, now after installing the theme, if you install the Kadence blog, it becomes one of the best themes around the world, and it helps you to build a whole lot of functionalities for your website to work well for you. And then it's also have WooCommerce extensions that you can integrate into your WooCommerce website. Okay, now Kadence it has been chosen by a lot of people because it works well with any other plugin that you want to install on your website. So Kadence is also one of the best things. Now let's go ahead and then go and install Kadence on our website and see how it also works. Okay, so I'm going to close the Oceanwp and then go ahead and then try and then install Kadence on my website. So I'm going to go to installed plugins and then remove the Ocean Astra. Okay, so I'm going to go and deactivate the Ocean Astra and then delete it, and then I'll go to appearance, go to themes. Okay, and then I'll add new theme. Okay, very good. So I'm going to search for Kadence, the Kadence theme. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Kadence theme over here, right over here. Just click on install and then click on activate. Okay, so this is the Kadence theme installed and activated. Now as you can see, they said thanks for choosing the Kadence theme. If you want to get started with beautiful starter templates and other stuff, you can install the Kadence starter templates. Okay, now I'm not going to install the Kadence starter template, but like I said, the Kadence starter templates also gives you a start of a boost to start your own website design. So already built starter templates, already built website, you just install it on your website and then you are good to go. But I just want to take you around to the customization section of the Kadence theme. So if you go to the customize, now let's go over here and then refresh our website and see how now our website looks like with the Kadence with the Kadence theme. So this is how our website looks like with the Kadence theme already installed. Okay, so with the Kadence theme already installed, our website also changes. Okay, so that is how it does. So at the moment you install new theme, your website will change. The look and feel of the website will change. So now let's go to the as it is loading, this is the customization. Now as you can see, you can change what colors and what and font. Okay, so with the Kadence theme you can choose, you know, you have a global color palette. Okay, so that you can what you can set all your colors at one place. Okay, so that at the moment you what you change it will change globally. Okay, so that is what it. And then you know, the buttons also, you can what you can set up the button colors, you know, the typography and other stuff of the what of the button, and then the typography what itself. Okay, you can also choose between different kinds of typography. Also have what the header builder, just like the Astra theme. Okay, so you can build your own what your own customized what header using the header builder over here. So if you want to build it, you know, the mobile side of it or the tablet side of it, you can also what build it using what the header builder over here. The same way is also have what the footer builder. Okay, so it also have footer builder. You can build your own what footer. You can change, you know, copyright, you know, notices and copyright, you know, messages of your of the theme. Okay, just other themes, some other themes you cannot change the copyright messages unless you upgrade to the pro version. But with these themes that I'm showing you, you can change everything of it. Okay, that makes it what one of the best themes, or that makes them one of the best free themes around the world. And then if you go to the general also talks about a whole lot of things: the layout, the sidebar, the scroll to top, the full page layout, the comments, the breadcrumbs, the you know the social links, and then what the performance. Okay, yeah, you can see all of them over here. And then if you go to post page layout, how you want your post and page layout to see, you want to go to search results, site identity, menus, widgets, homepage settings, and then what you know, additional what CSS. Okay, now let's go back, and then let's go and, you know, install the Kadence starter template, and then see how it's also what it will also behave. So we have activated and installed the starter template. It will you know, bring us over here. It will tell us to choose what we want, because we have not installed you know, Elementor on it. Automatically it has chosen what the Gutenberg for us. Okay, so these are all what free and pro what you know, templates already built and designed for us. Okay, so the ones that are free, we can, you know, just choose them. Okay, so imagine, let's say we want to design let me say an e-commerce website. Okay, very simple you know, e-commerce website, or let's say a makeup website. Okay, so let's click on this one. Okay, so as you can see, look at how the starter templates behave. Now at the moment we click on it, it will bring us to what you know, the color scheme over here. Now you can decide to choose any color scheme that you want, and if I click on this one, it will change the look and feel of the color for me. Okay, if I click on this one also, it will have to what change the look and feel of the color for me. Okay, now let me click on this one and see what happens. So guys, I don't know why you know, the colors are not changing, but then automatically it's supposed to change. But if it doesn't change over here after installing the template, you can, you know, go ahead and then we'll change most of the colors to suit your own color. Okay, and if you go over here, you can decide to also change the font family and other stuff. I don't know why it doesn't really work over here, but definitely you can go ahead and then do it the way you want it. Okay, now they have required plugins that you have to install before this one works. You have to install the Kadence blog, the restrict content. Okay, you know, you have to all install all these things. Okay, and then if you want to you know, have a single page or a full site, you can go ahead and then click on it, and then it will tell you to do it will tell you to you know, choose the subscribe and then import. Okay, so it will it's going to import this one with this color that I chose, okay, from the color palette, and then import customized settings, and then import content import the content. It means that it's going to import all the content for me, and then if I subscribe and then I I click on import, it will import everything and install all the required plugins for me. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens after the installation, or after the importation, sorry. Okay guys, so our importation is done. So as you can see, import complete. Okay, so let's go over here and then refresh our website and see how our website really looks like. Yes, so guys, as you can see, we have a complete website over here built for us just by importing our template. Okay, so as you can see, everything is done, and then we are good to go. So the Kadence theme is one of the best themes to easily create your own website within a twinkling of an eye. So you can just edit the page and then change some few things from here, and then the website becomes yours automatically. Okay, you can change the pictures, you can change everything that you want to change, and then you are good to go. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you can use the Kadence theme to build your website on the go. Now the next one that we are going to talk about is the Neve, or this is the Rishi theme. Yeah, so the next one that we are going to talk about is the Rishi theme. Now Rishi theme is one of the new website themes, WordPress themes on in the system right now. And if you are part of this channel for some long time now, you see that I've been doing videos about this Rishi theme, and then using it to create a website on this channel. Okay, now I love the theme because it gives everything free, just like the Oceanwp and then the other Astra theme, and the other themes. Okay, so this theme also gives most of your stuff, or most of your things that you buy from other themes, it gives you for free. Okay, so now let's look at how the Rishi website really looks like. So this is the Rishi website. This is how the Rishi website looks like. Now you can click over here to download the website the theme for free, or you can click over here to buy the theme. Okay, so depending on what you want, you can either buy, or you can either download it for free. Now Rishi starter sites are also available for you, just like the Kadence starter site. You can also get starter site from Rishi to build a fast website. Okay, so as you can see, Rishi theme is very fast. Now it have 100% Google speed inside. Okay, you can check it out. And then there are a lot of people that talks about the Rishi theme over here. Okay, so you can find all of them over here. So the Rishi theme is one of the best themes around the globe. Okay, and then it also have various integrations that you can the ones that you love. It works perfectly well with the Rishi theme. So the Gutenberg, the Elementor, the Rank Math, the WooCommerce, the Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, all of them works perfectly with the Rishi theme. And then the Rishi theme also comes with a pre-built starter template already designed for you. Okay, a lot of them are free for you to use for free. Okay, you can check them out. And then customize everything. You can customize everything on the theme. Okay, so the header builder, the footer builder. Okay, a lot of them, colors and typography, blog and archives. You have the layout option, a lot of them. Okay, and then you see the header footer builder. Okay, you can customize your own header, your own footer, the way you want it. Okay, so you can do live editing, drag and drop builder, advanced styling. A lot of them, the colors, you can choose your color palette, the global colors, just like the Kadence theme. Okay, and this one goes beyond and beyond your imagination. So this theme is also one of the best themes around the world. Now let's look at how we can also install the Rishi theme on our website. So let's go to themes over here. Okay, so if you come to themes over here, okay, you can just click on what, add new, and then we can search for the Rishi theme. Okay, so Rishi, Rishi, okay, just search for Rishi. Okay guys, so I don't know why the Rishi theme is not showing over here, but meaning that maybe there might be some problems with WordPress and other stuff. But then aside that, do not worry. If you want the theme, okay, I'll show you how you can get it. Now go to go to new tab over here, and then just type in Kitech Digital, okay, .com/Rishi theme, okay, and then click on it. You'll be redirected to this particular website over here. Okay, you'll be redirected to this particular website over here. As you can see, you'll be redirected to this particular website over here. Okay, now when you are redirected to this particular website over here, just click on what, download Rishi theme for free. Okay, just click on it. Now when you click over here, okay, when you click over here, what happens is a download modal will open for you, and then you fill in some few details. Okay, and when you fill in the details, you just click on what, download, and then it will be redirected. You'll be redirected to this place. Okay, and then all what you need to do is to click over here to download the theme. Okay, it is free, you don't need to buy anything. So as you can see, you don't need to even enter your how do you call it, your credit card or whatever it is, nothing like that. You just need your email, okay, and then your name, and then to create an account for you so that you can be able to come over here and download it forever. Okay, it is free forever. Just enter your email address and other stuff in the modal that opens, and then click on what, download from here, the Rishi over here. Okay, now at the moment you download it, just go to your add themes over here, and then just click on what, upload theme. Okay, this one over here, and then you can drag in the theme and paste it over here. Okay, or drop it over here, or you can just click on choose file and locate where your theme is, and then after that just click on what, install now to install the theme. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the theme is successfully installed. We have to activate it, so just click on activate over here to activate the theme. And then after the theme is installed and activated, they will tell you to install the Rishi companion. Okay, so what we need to do is to just click on install Rishi companion, and then as you can see, this is the companion. So just click on the install, and then you redirected to return to the plugin installer. So just click on it to and then activate the companion. So we're gonna activate the companion. Okay, so our theme is installed and activated. Bear in mind that if you refresh this one, the look and feel of the website will also change. So let's refresh it and see what happens. Yes, so as you can see, because we've installed a new theme, the look and feel of our website really have changed. Okay, everything has changed. That is how themes work. Okay, so because this website was built using the Kadence theme, when we install the Rishi theme, it changes everything. Okay, unless you do some few settings over here. Now I'm not going to waste time to do all the settings over here. All what I'm going to do is to also show you around the Rishi theme how it works, and then click on customization to also see some of the customization options of the theme. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, the Rishi theme also have different kinds of customizations. So we have the general options, the post and pages, the WordPress default. So as you can see, they have grouped it into 3 different categories. Okay, so the general option talks about the layout, the colors, the header, the footer, the typography, the SEO, the social networks, and then the post and pages talks about your post and then your pages. Okay, so all of them you see to buy, and then the WordPress default is all about WordPress settings. Okay, so your site identity, your menus, your widgets, your homepage settings. Okay, so you can check all of them and then see how it really works for you. Okay, so as you can see, this is how this one also. So you can, you know, you have what the header builder. You can build your own what header with buttons and other stuff out of it. So if you click on the header, it's supposed to what give you this header builder over here. Okay, just like the way the Kadence and the how do you call it, the Astra behaved. Okay, so you can, you know, build different menus over here. Okay, and then you see, as you can see, we have button. You can what just, you know, drag and drop the button wherever you want. Okay, so as you can see, I can drop a button over here. Okay, yeah, so I can still drop another thing like contact. Okay, so I can still drop, just you know, click and drop the contact over here, click on this one. Okay, and then I can do what, I can edit all these ones. Okay, so as you can see, it is what it is showing over here. So you can build any kind of what, any kind of header that you want using this one. So if I wanted to what to go to the back side, I can what, I can just make it go over here. Okay, so as you can see, I can even make it the last one to come before the what the search bar will come before it. Okay, so if I don't want any search bar, I can just what delete this one. Okay, so basically that is how you can be able to build the header using this what you know, this amazing header builder. Okay, the same thing applies to the footer also. Okay, so you can build your own footer header. Okay, with a footer you know, menu, or footer with amazing footer with what, with this footer builder. Okay, so that is it. So you have header and footer with builder. Okay, so you can go through all of them. I'm not going to waste time over here. You can go through all of them and then see how you can be able to build amazing website using this you know, themes. Okay, now the last one I'm going to talk about, let me close this one. The last one I'm going to talk about is what, the Neve what you know, theme. Okay, so at first I used to use this Neve theme because it was free, and it's still free. It's amazing theme. Okay, and you can also what, use it if you want it. So it is also one of the best themes around the world. I'm not going to talk about much about it, but if you want to use it, you can also what, get it free from what, the WordPress directory over there. So to download the Neve theme, just go to themes over here, go to themes over there, and then just click on what, add new. Okay, click on add new, just like the way we you know, we added all the other themes. Okay, and then search for Neve. Okay, Neve, Neve. You will be able to get this amazing theme over here. Just, you know, install it and then activate it. So now that you've installed and activated it, you are what, you are good to go. Now because we installed the Rishi you know, companion, it is telling us that the companion plugin requires what, this one. Now as you can see, the Neve team also have what, amazing starter what site libraries. Okay, it means that I have a starter template and other stuff. Okay, so we can, you know, go ahead and then what, let me go ahead and then uninstall the Kadence. This one I'll deactivate this one, and then I also deactivate the Rishi companion. Okay, very good. So now that I have this one done, yeah, all the other settings are gone. So if you go to appearance, okay, so now let's take a look at how our website also looks like now that we install a new theme. Okay, so as you can see, our website, the look and feel of the website also what changed. Okay, it changes because of what the theme that we installed. Okay, so if you go to, you know, customize. Okay, let's go to appearance and let's go to customize. So guys, as you can see, this is the customization section. So as you can see, the Neve theme also have what you know, the layout. Okay, you can choose the container that you want, the content or sidebar, the blog or archive, the single post page, and then what, page settings. Okay, home page settings, and then also have what, the header. Okay, so we have the header over here. You can what you know, check the what, the header builder over here, and then you can build your own your own header from this header builder. Okay, just like all the other themes that we've checked. Okay, so this makes most of the themes unique, and then even though it have a header and footer builder, it is still free. You can check in the colors in the background, the typography, the buttons, form fields, menus, widgets, etc. Okay, you can also check out their documentation, and then you read more about it so that you can be able to build amazing websites using the Neve team. Okay, so I'm not going to spend much time over here. Like I said, these are some of the amazing themes that you can use. So these are the 5 free amazing themes, WordPress themes around the world. Okay, you can use it to build any kind of website that you want, depending on your design skills and then your WordPress skills. Okay, so we have the Neve theme in no particular order. We have the Neve theme, we have the Rishi theme, we have the Kadence theme, we have the Oceanwp theme, and then we have the Astra theme. Tell me what you think about these themes, and then which ones are your best themes. Okay, if you have any free best theme, you can put it in the comment section over there so that I can also check it out. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then like and share the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.